Good evening. This is part 2 of ECG discussion. Let me begin this part of the discussion by answering a question. How do we determine the heart rate of a person by simply looking at the ECG strip? Okay. It is well settled, class, that the heart rate or the normal heart rate of a person is between 60 to 100. Okay. Such that if the heart rate is 60 to 100, it means that the electrical conduction system of the heart is normal. Okay? So, by looking at the ECG strip, unsaon man nato pagkaibaw pila iyahang heart rate? Well, there are two ways, class, no? There are two ways to determine the heart rate of a person using the ECG strip. But it depends. If the heart rate of the person is regular, then we can use, no? If the interval or the rhythm is regular, then we can use your big box method, your BBM, okay? Your big box method. But if the heart rate is irregular, then we can use the 6-second strip. Okay? So naay duha ka klase. Kung regular, use the big box method. Kung irregular, then you use the 6-second strip. Now, unsa man na siyang big box method? Well, you only have to determine the distance from R going to the next R. And you count the number of big boxes. Okay? So you call that as the big box method. Meaning, how many big boxes are there from R going to the next R? Okay? To illustrate, okay, here, this is your R. This is your R. This is your R. This is your R. And so on. Okay? Unsa man ang rule? Using the big box method, we need to determine the number of big boxes from one R to the next R. So in this case, pila man ni ka big boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 big boxes from one R to the next R. So the rule is you will use 300 divided by the number of big boxes, which in this case is 5. Then the answer is 60. So the heartbeat of the patient is 60. Okay? Again, you will use the big box method when the R to R interval is regular or when the rhythm of the heartbeat of the patient is regular. Okay? Now, what if the heartbeat of the patient or the rhythm is irregular? Then what you will use this time is your 6-second strip. So, what is the rule in the 6-second strip? You simply have to now count the number of your R's and you multiply that class by 10. That will be equivalent to your heart rate. So, ingon ani. Okay? Here. First, imo siguraduhon that the strip that you are reading is a 6-second strip. Saan nimo pagkahibaw nga 6-second strip na siya? Because makakita man ka aning tulo ka linya. Okay? Sulod aning tulo ka linya, class. Okay? From this point here, going to this point, that is equivalent to 6 seconds. So, sulod sa imuhang 6 seconds, pila man ka R. Okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Naakay unom ka R sulod sa 6-second strip. So what's the rule? Ang 6 i-multiply nimo by 10. So pila heartbeat ni patient? The heartbeat is 60 beats per minute. So that is how you determine the heart rate of the patient by using your ECG strip. Now, let's go to the different abnormalities in the rhythm of the heart rate. Okay? First class is our sinus rhythm. Sinus rhythm. For sinus rhythm, okay, it is required that number 1, there must be the presence of your P, QRS, and there must also be your T wave. Okay? Number 2, for it to be a sinus rhythm, the rate must be 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay? Number 3, the PR interval must not be prolonged such that the PR interval is from 0.12 to 0.20 seconds. Next, your QRS must not be narrow and QRS must not be wide. Okay? It must only be enough. So your QRS is enough when it is around 0.12 seconds. Okay? So these are the criteria, class, before one could say that the rhythm is actually a sinus rhythm. Okay? Test number 1. Dapat naa ang P, na ang QRS, naasa ang imong T-wave. So in this case, the question is, do you have all the different kinds of slopes? Yes. You see the P wave. Okay? So meaning the P is present. Is the QRS present in this case? Yes. So QRS is also present. Now, even if without looking the ECG strip, naakay P, naakay QRS, question, would you expect T to be present? The answer is yes. Remember, class, unsa tay function sa T? The T will affirm the presence of atrial contraction and ventricular contraction. So since naakay atrial contraction represented by P, naakay ventricular contraction represented by QRS, will you expect T wave to be present? Yes. So naa ang tulo. Okay? So meaning, as to the first requirement or the first element, you are okay. Okay? Next, is the heart rate 60 to 100? Okay? So how do we know that? Consider that the screen that you are looking at now is a 6-second strip. So pila may heart rate ni patient dire? Okay. Can anyone tell me pila ang heart rate ni patient? Okay, reserve your answer. Let's check. We count the number of R's in a 6-second strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 R's in a 6-second strip. So pila may heart rate ni patient in this case? The heart rate is 70 beats per minute. So meaning your heart rate is okay. Now, how about the PR interval? Asa ganina ang PR interval ka, class? Di ba, mao man ni siya ang imuhang PR interval kani? Mao man imong PR interval. This one is your PR interval. PR interval. Okay? So let's try to magnify that. So PR interval. This is P Q R S T. Okay? So this is your PR interval. Remember that the normal PR interval is 0.12 to 0.2 seconds. Okay? So pila man ta ka small boxes atong gi-expect dire. One small box is 0.04. So pila man ka small boxes atong gi-expect nga ma-consume sa ato ang PR interval. Dapat 3 to 5 small boxes only. Okay? So in this case, let's say naakay 4 ka small boxes. Okay? Is the PR interval within limits? Yes, no? It is within limits. Kaya in such a case, it would be 0.16 seconds. So meaning it's okay. Okay? How about the QRS? The QRS must be tulo ra ka small boxes kay 0.12. So dapat tulo. Okay? Tulo. So if tulo, then your QRS is also okay. Okay? So if ang imong QRS, ang ihang buka is comprised of only 2 small boxes. Narrow imuhang QRS. Most likely, PVC na siya, premature ventricular contractions. Or, niabot siya 4. So wide rapod ang imuhang QRS. Most likely, that's a ventricular problem. Okay? So you see, dili pwede duha, di sad pwede 4. Dapat tulo ra gyud ang imuhang QRS complex for it to be said that it is within normal limits. So, if naa kay PQRST, 60 to 100 imuhang heartbeat, in this case 70, imong PR interval is normal, 3 to 5, imong QRS is normal, 3 ka small boxes. So if all of these 4 conditions class concur, Okay? If present ang upat, then you have a case of sinus rhythm. Okay? Now, that is your sinus rhythm. Upat,